Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect your wired mouse with your Realme C67, yes, for sure you can do this. In my case, I have the USB-A connector. So first of all, on my phone, I will have to navigate into the settings and I will have to find the OTG connection. So click on the search, type OTG, go for the additional settings and turn it on. Now, if you have USB-A instead of the USB-C, you will have to get the adapter. So in my case, it looks like this. Here I have this USB-C to the USB-A adapter. And now when I'm gonna plug this cable of my mouse into this adapter and plug this connector right here into the USB-C, just take a look. As you can see, my mouse is working. So I can easily navigate, go into the home screen and use it without any issues. So yeah, that's all. And if you wonder if you can actually use the wireless mouse, yes, you can also do this. And I have second video on my YouTube channel. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.